Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's good to have you back. This is a quick reminder to please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and drop your comments in the comment section. On today's tutorial, we'll be making plantain fritters. Like, this is really tasty and nice. So the background story is I had these overripe plantains I wanted to throw away, and then at just the last minute I decided to just check up and see if there was anything I could do with overripe plantains, and there came plantain fritters, and oh okay, I have everything I would need to make this, so let me just try it out. So I had my plantains, overripe of course, and then I peeled it. I had just two left, and I blended it. I added just little water so it could blend smoothly, as you can see. And so after it's been blended, I set it aside in a bowl. I had my chopped onions. That's my chopped onions, and then my pepper. It's been blended, roughly blended though. And so I just poured everything into the blended plantain I set aside, just like so, and I added just a little bouillon cube. The plantain was already very sweet on its own, so I needed not add so much spice on it. So that was just little pinch of salt, the little bouillon cube, then the pepper and the onions, and so I mixed it all together. As you can see, it's all mixed right now. And so this is a quick reminder to please subscribe to my channel right down below, like this video, and drop your comment in the comment section. It's all set aside and well mixed, so I had my oil heated and I went straight to frying it. So I wanted to just fry the plantain alone, like I wanted it 100% natural. Once it got to the oil, it scattered inside the oil, and then when I eventually finished frying it, it tasted really nice though. It tasted like dodo ikiri. I don't know how to explain dodo ikiri, but it's a local Nigerian delicacy. So please don't try this at home. Back to what we should try at home. So I had my all-purpose flour, 5 spoons of it, and then I had my sugar, about 2 tablespoons. I mixed it together and then I set it aside. Then I have my wet ingredients and my dry ingredients set side by side, just like so. And I went ahead to add the plantain puree to my flour, and I started mixing it. So I had to mix it properly so I don't have any lump in it. So I just went ahead to mix it. I mixed it and it got very thick. I couldn't mix it at this point again. So the next thing I did was to add a little water to it, just like so. I added water to it so it would still give me the same puree and the same consistency I need to fry. As you can see, there was still little left from the plantain puree that I did not mix with the flour, so you can see the difference in the color. And then my oil is heated right now on low heat, and I started pouring my plantain puree into the oil, and it's frying. So the frying pan is just a little one, so you could just take, I think, 4 at a time. So here it is. It has stayed on the oil for like less than 2 minutes though. Then I have to flip it to the other end. It's coming all together already. If you're enjoying this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and drop your comments or questions in the comment section. I flipped it both sides and fried it for 6 minutes or thereabouts until it turned brown, and then I took it out of the oil and it was all set for consuming, like eating. So I had this, I tasted it. It was really, really, really nice. I can't even like properly explain how nice it was. So I would really encourage you to try it out. Have some very tasty, nice, healthy snacks. So thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and drop your comments or questions in the comment section. So till next time, bye.